Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. This is your boy K Smalls. Today I just want to show you how to buy Baby Dogecoin and solve the slippage tolerance issue that you always see when you buy it on the MetaMask app. So yeah, let's get right into it without wasting any more time. So first of all, let me just show you the issue that I want to solve, and then we get right into it. First of all, you go into your MetaMask. I'm just gonna go there. It will ask you to put a password if you haven't logged in. So I'm gonna open it in the expander view. So once I open my MetaMask wallet, remember the first thing that you're gonna do, like how we bought XRP yesterday. What you're gonna do is just to click on swap. So the first thing that you're going to do when you click on swap, you're gonna identify the number of BNB coins that you want to swap for Baby Doge. So I'm going to unpack that, and then I have to go to CoinMarketCap and search for Baby Dogecoin because I need the contract address for Baby Dogecoin. So come in here. Here's Baby Dogecoin. You can just type it here and say Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge. There we go. So we're gonna use this one. So this is the contract address that I need here. So this is the one. So I'll put it on MetaMask so that it will give me my Baby Doge. So once I put it there, this is the whole swap. So we need to see the swap review and then buy. So you see, this is what you're gonna see. No codes available. Try adjusting the amount or slippage settings and try again. So what you're gonna do, try to increase the slippage tolerance and then try again. Cancel, and then you go alpha. It went in outside. Let me just do it again. 0.029, and then I'll choose Baby Dogecoin, continue, and then I'll increase slippage tolerance maybe to 12. So slippage tolerance is too high, maybe I'll put 5. Even if you put a lot, you still don't get any code. So let me show you how to solve this issue. Still fetching, still fetching, still fetching. Let's see, we won't get any codes. When it's taking time like this, it means you might get codes, you might not. But a lot of times you won't get codes on this platform because there's no enough liquidity. So we want to use the platform that has a lot of liquidity. So I'm just going to click back because I just showed you the issue that we want to solve. Click cancel and everything here. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to Pancake Swap. So we're gonna use the website called Pancake Swap. I'll leave the link on the description below. If you also don't have MetaMask wallet, I also will put a link how to set up that chain or BNB chain on that smart BNB. So let's go. So once you're done with that, you need to come back and log into your MetaMask. I'm gonna open that in the expander view. We got Baby Doge. Let's copy the address of Baby Doge. So the first thing when you're on Pancake Swap, you need to connect your wallet, which is your MetaMask wallet. So when you click connect, it will have all these wallets that you can connect to. Ours we're using MetaMask, so we're gonna click on MetaMask. So here, if you are not logged in, let me just disconnect it and then log out from my MetaMask and show you what it will do. So I'm just gonna log. So I just want to show you what it will do when you have it. Click on MetaMask. You see what it's going to do. It's going to ask you to log into your MetaMask wallet. So just put in your password and sign. Make sure you don't share any of your secret codes and recovery phrase with anyone. Even if this website wants you to put those things, don't ever share your secret codes. They call secret for a reason. So yeah, right now my wallet is connected. So once my wallet is connected, so this is the BNB balance that I have. Remember the BNB balance also that I had on my MetaMask wallet. So this is the same, 0.294. So this is the same that I have. Here it's even saying 0.293. So that's okay. What we want to do When you get to here after connecting your wallet, you need to come and click on trade, and then you go after trade, you click on swap. So once you are there, I'm going to come in here and say I want to use max of my BNB, and I want to swap this BNB to what? Instead of cake, I want to swap it to Baby Dogecoin. And then I'm going to paste my address. It will give me the Baby Dogecoin, and then I'll click that Baby Dogecoin. So it will show me how many baby Dogecoins I'm gonna get. More than like 30, I don't know if it's 3 billion or what. But yeah, my slippage tolerance is sitting at 14%. You can change that anyhow you want it on the settings. You can come in here and change it here, put 12 or what. But I like to use it on 14% because it gets the job done pretty much fast. So I'll click on swap, and then I'll confirm the swap, and then wait for it, because here you see it will say I need to confirm this. So I'm signing this, and then I'll confirm this transaction. So once I confirm the transaction was submitted, and already we bought Baby Doge. So as you can see, the transaction was confirmed. Baby Dogecoin was bought. If I go back to my MetaMask, I will see that from my 18 billion, and also there's the BNB that I had has decreased. If I go to my assets and then expander view, and I want to see, because I had 18 billion coins, I want to see how much I got right now. If I go to Baby Doge, see right now I've got 22 billion. So from 18 to 22 billion coins. So yeah, that's how you buy Baby Doge coin, guys, from Pancake Swap. I'm just going to close this. Yeah, guys, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah, tell your friends to tell their friends to join this channel, and conquer the world together, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys.